So what's the right age to introduce money to children?
I think you can start as early as when they're 4 to 6 years old.
Oh, how?
Yes. So next time, whenever as parents we are playing the game business with them, you can introduce the difference between real currency and the dummy currency that we use in that game. Right? And the next time when they are going out shopping with their kids, they can have them give the shopkeeper both the real currency and the dummy currency and see which one is accepted.
What do you think about 7 to 9 years of age? What should be introduced in that age range?
I think you can gamify it and just make it 3 different buckets. One can be the spending bucket, one can be the giving bucket, and one can be the savings bucket, right? You have so many piggy banks lying around the house, you can use one for each bucket. The spending bucket, the kids can use the money out of that bucket to spend on toys, books, or anything that they would want to buy. For the giving bucket, they can buy gifts for their friends' birthday parties, for their parents, or even for charity. And under the saving bucket, they can save and start inculcate the habit of saving from a very early age.
So they learn that value that saving is also important. Yes. So what would you advise for the age range 10 to 12 years then? Because here I am seeing that they are going more closer to the real world.
Yes, I think you can have them go as near the real world as possible. Go, let them shop, pay bills, get receipts in return, calculate exchange rates, calculate how much money they should get back. Go real spending.
Become independent.
Yes. And I think also secondly what they can do is the saved up money that they have, they can use that money and create little DIY candles or decors or little things that kids can very easily make. Craft ideas, and they can sell these during community gatherings or these festivals that happen, community celebrations or even school exhibitions, and earn money. I think one very good value that they will earn out of it is the efforts that go behind earning money. And I'm just reminded of one example. During summer break in New Jersey this year, I saw some school kids selling lemonade. And they must have earned about $50 or so in a day, but that brought them so much joy and that feeling of independence, and also learning how much efforts go behind earning a single penny.
So it's not about money that they are earning, it's basically about the value that they are learning. Yes. They are learning that parents are putting hard efforts.
Yes, the rewards and the efforts. Yes.
Nice, good idea. Thank you.
Thank you.